You Bobby, could I call you Bobby?
I'd rather you
Listen,
did.
I thought when I first saw that,
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Stomach queasy.
I apologize.
You move it around. It's like I'm on a roller coaster or something. You know what I mean?
I just want to know.
Are those behind you? Are those books behind
Those
you?
are like books. I have multiple libraries, and this is like one of my office space.
It's outstanding.
I have to get some because I love her.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot.
Maybe.
Or maybe I'm just justifying.
Because I think that's the one that has seen most work. So I feel closest to that.
So, sort of in this post era, this sort of like 7-Eleven Quasimodo.
Times before it, and I've never been so excited to have a certain guest in the studio tonight.
But I want to know, you were out there, and I assume you're in the Mojave or something.
Gladstone, he had a thing called Mr. Woodchuck, and
how water emerges.
No, it is funny. You know, I think when you're
What was that?
It's my show.
killing it, boy, killing it.